what is happening in Australia and around the world in terms of shipping. What is shipping around the world right now? It is a huge deadlock. Why is that? Because of COVID and because of pretty much around the world, many countries are still under lockdown, including Sydney and including Melbourne. So what that means to you is, because Sydney and Melbourne still under lockdown, there are so many people who are sitting at home, and their only way to buy things they want to buy is going online. What that means is, as soon as they buy online, they are going to be delivered by some company. Now, because of that, I'll give you some scenarios what happened to Australia. According to the report yesterday, it says that Australia's delivery network, among all the companies, it is 370% higher delivery requirement already, which is higher than Christmas. Christmas is still 3 months away, but Australia at its peak right now for the delivery, which has created immense amount of pressure. Now, second thing, because of the COVID is still, Australia is trying to open up. Things are slowly getting relaxed, and people are trying to get out there slowly. There are limitations, lots of limitations. Retail is still not open, so delivery is the main option for people. And to do that, now the pressure is so much high. I was reading that from China to Europe, the pressure is right now 600% compared to last year. I was reading in USA, the boats or the ships trying to offload their ships, and they cannot do it because 63 ships waiting to get offloaded in front of California port. So that's the scenario around the world. I'm not saying that it is just Australia. So why I'm telling you all this? On top of this, Australia is in its COVID peak right now in Sydney. So I was again informed through media that there are 500 drivers of Australia Post is grounded because they are in isolation. There are strike is happening. The strike was happening a couple of weeks ago. When toll drivers went on strike because of lack of manpower. I think this week already announced by TNT/FedEx, the drivers is going for 1 day strike, and then at the end of this week, I think either today or tomorrow, there will be, not today, tomorrow, so I think tomorrow or Friday, I think Star Trek is going on strike. So why am I telling you all of this is for the only reason that you want to bear in mind that if you want your shipment delivered to your loved ones in Sydney, in Melbourne, in Brisbane, or anywhere else in Australia, please book your shipment now. Please do not delay. Do not be lackadaisical, if I say so. Just do it now, because we will need time. The delivery is taking time. Even if you are sending the shipment in time from your country, it's still taking time. For example, Nepal doesn't have flight every day, maybe. That's what I'm hearing. They've got, alternate day or something. And it's getting space from Nepal to Australia is another problem. So you have to keep that in mind, that you book the shipment in your shop, in your outlet is not enough. You have to remember that your booking starts there when you book it, but that doesn't get delivered when you book it. So you have to be very, very careful. You have to be very fast to move your shipment, making sure your shipment is reaching Australia as fast as possible, because you need to give us the time to do the delivery in time. Sachin, do you want to cover that in Hindi as well, quickly?
Yes, I will try as I can cover.
Yeah.
भी आपने जो बोला कि अभी क्या है कि ड्यू टू कोविड के सिलसिले में हर जगह कोविड की वजह से हालत खस्ते हैं, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में भी कई जगह लॉकडाउन है जो कि धीरे धीरे ओपनिंग के प्रोसेस में है, और लॉकडाउन के केस में ओनली क्या कर सकते हैं कि हम वहां पे या चाहे कहीं भी लॉकडाउन है तो हम ऑनलाइन ही चीजें परचेज कर सकते हैं, और इसकी वजह से ना इन एवरी वर्ड बट इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया जो भी डिलीवरी की डिमांड थी 350 गुना ज्यादा बढ़ गई है। सो और कई कई देशों में जैसे अभी चाइना टू यूरोप में तो 700 के नियर अबाउट परसेंटेज बढ़ गया डिलीवरी का। कई जगह ऐसी सिचुएशन है कि पोर्ट्स पे गाड़ियां लगी हुई हैं, नावें खड़ी हैं, ऑफलोड नहीं हो पा रही हैं, डिलीवरी नहीं है, प्लस ड्राइवर वेयर देयर आर मेनी कुरियर कंपनीज हैविंग उनके जो ड्राइवर हैं कोविड पॉजिटिव हो गए हैं। तो एक तो ड्राइवर्स की थोड़ी सी शॉर्ट लैंडिंग है, थोड़ी सी कमी है, प्लस जो ड्राइवर्स हैं और वो भी डिलीवरी या पिकिंग के टाइम पे काफी सारा एहतियात बरतना पड़ रहा है, जिसकी वजह से टाइम भी ज्यादा लग रहा है। अगर जो पहले एक ड्राइवर एक दिन में 10 शिपमेंट पिक करता है, 10 डिलीवरी करता है, तो आज के कोविड टाइम में वो 6 से 7 ही कवर कर पाता है। दिस इज एन एग्जाम्पल। तो एक तो ड्राइवर्स कम है, सेकेंड टाइम ज्यादा लग रहा है, थर्ड प्रेशर ज्यादा है कि और ड्राइवर्स भी कई जगह स्ट्राइक पे जा रहे हैं कि हम पे ज्यादा प्रेशर डाला जा रहा है, जो भी रीजन है उनका अपना रीजन होगा। तो कई सारी कंपनियों के जो स्टाफ है वो कम हो गए कोविड की वजह से, तो डिलीवरी पे बहुत ज्यादा इम्पैक्ट पड़ रहा है अभी के टाइम पे। तो जो नॉर्मली आप रेगुलर डे में हम जब शिपमेंट भेजते थे किसी फेस्टिवल पे तो हम 10 दिन पहले भेजते थे, हमारे फेस्टिवल टाइम पे शिपमेंट पहुंच जाता था। बट अभी के केस में ऐसा हो भी सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है। तो मैं यही सबसे बोलूंगा कि जो भी आपको भेजना है कि अभी बुक करना शुरू कर दें, ताकि अगर आपके साथ डिले भी होता है तो आपका शिपमेंट बिफोर टाइम ऑन टाइम आपके रिसीवर तक पहुंच जाए।